with Ben Jeff.
What's up, y'all?
Oh, your song's gonna be on the video? No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it is.
Where is it?
Man, we're out here, fucking Tennessee hills, with the Midwest Speed Demon, Ben Jeff, Indiana, Fort Wayne's finest, Chopped Hogs. We're able to catch up with Ben today. You know, he's been busy all weekend, mostly signing autographs and just answering everybody's questions about what it takes to really build a bike like this. His voice is a little rasped from all the talking, but we're going to see if we can get a couple answers out of him about this fucking magnificent motorcycle that he put together here. It won every award possible out here at this motorcycle event, the Tennessee deal. He's got so much hardware. They fucking got the trailer empty to load it in, and a lot of sponsorships, a lot of stuff coming through, and we're lucky enough that he's going to take some time out of the day to talk to us. So Ben, first of all, just tell us what's up with the frame.
The frame?
The frame, yeah.
I built the frame. It's a.
So you built this frame.
Yep. It's I like a lot of old school drag bike shit, so I was looking at all the influenced by like old drag bike stuff, how they had like dropout axles. So I milled that out of like a manually milled out a block of 1-inch aluminum, and then it just bolts into the frame. So that's a little chromoly channel. That's how they did that, so they could like. Actually, I'm not fully sure, but I just assumed this so they could like raise or lower their axle quickly at the track or whatever.
So that's.
So I just thought it looked cool. That doesn't.
So you said chromoly. So is this frame all chromoly?
Yeah, the big tubes. The main like loop is Doak Hall R8.
Okay.
It's like it was developed in Sweden. It's basically like a higher end chromoly. A lot of like drag chassis guys are making frames out of that stuff now. I've never seen anybody do a street bike. I was like, maybe nobody's done it before. I'll fucking do it.
Man, this thing is sweet. I'm telling you, fucking A. So what is the total weight of the frame? You're saying that it's lightweight tubing. What is the total weight of this?
I don't remember the exact, but it was like 35 and a half pounds.
35 and a half pounds.
Somewhere
Jeez.
around 35.
That's a light package for what seems to be a pretty substantial motor. What do you got in there as far as the drivetrain?
It's just a mild hot rod. It's all basically all aftermarket, spood cases, Axtel cast iron cylinders, but stock stroke, a little bit bigger bore on the cylinders. They're punched out to like 85 cubic inch, so it's just a little bit more. But I like short stroke, big bore. Mild Lineweber cam, set the head to the T-Man, bigger valves. And I built that motor probably like 5 years ago, and it just came out of my other bike, so it's already been beat the fuck out of. It runs great.
Damn, man. And I noticed some other little touches you got here, like the oil tank is really nice.
Yeah, I made the oil tank. Just bought a piece of round aluminum tube and build those round things out on a rotary table and welded them on the ends.
Damn, man. And I just, it's just pretty sick. Like, total package. The whole thing came together as far as wheels, killer wheel set. Is that a PM wheel up front, or is that like an American racing wheel?
That's an aluminum PM.
Hell yeah.
And then the back's a real Dick Allen 15-inch. It's a 15-18 combo.
Fuck yeah. Real
Luckily,
deal
like
Dick
the
Allen.
only 15-18 combo tires are like badass. So.
Yeah, exactly. Raised whites, Dunlop qualifiers. Just can't go wrong.
For Vulcan or something like that.
You know, man, I gotta say, I think you guys really slingshot a particular style of motorcycle. It seems to be where everybody's trying to go these days. You got any words of advice for anybody that's trying to really put together a bike that is aesthetically pleasing but also works really well at the same time?
Yeah, stay in your lane. This is my sweet Evo chop right here. One of my custom drag race single loop frames.
What are the dimensions?
Well, we did like a 28-degree rake. Went 4 up on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, got about like a 2-inch drop.
La, 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 la.